Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OMVS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping outward levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis in the past, so that's where these green line annotations are coming from. But I'm going to do a little house cleaning first and get rid of these lines up here. Yeah, they still pertain to the chart. They're just not relevant. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter with the lines all over the place, which can lead to confusion. I just want to try to keep this analysis as clean and straightforward as possible. The first update, though, that needs to be made comes from a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So for those of you that have watched the past videos and remember, it talked about 0.085 as a key level of support, but when the price broke below it, you would expect it to act as resistance. And actually that first 30 minutes this morning, you can see the price did attempt a little bounce, and surprise, surprise, that's right where it got rejected there. So overall area up there at 0.085, near-term level of resistance. So before you even start talking about doing battle with 0.085, first key level to keep on right there at 0.062. So 0.062 and then 0.085, couple areas of resistance. If you just want more of a trend indicator in terms of the strength of the bears, just keep an eye on that purple line right there. And the easiest way to look at that is as long as the price stays below that purple line, then the bears are in full control of the current move. What about levels of support? If this price movement continues on downwards, where are some of these next key levels at? All right, for this, we're going to go to the daily time frame because this is just getting way too hard to see. So let's do this and scrunch back up. So next levels of support from a daily chart perspective, it's sitting at a very, very important level right now, and that is the pink line, which is the famous 200-day simple moving average. So far so good. The price is, holding right around that range, and you definitely want to see that continue to happen going forward. In the event the price separates to the downside, the next level of support down here right around at that consolidation point, 0.034. So 0.034 next overall level of support if that 200 period day simple moving average cannot hold. So rough day for the bulls, but so far so good. Like I said, they are hanging strong, so you got to give credit where credit's due. That pink line area is holding, so we'll see if they can continue to hold out going into tomorrow and the weekend. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.